Let's talk about kids' schoolwork and artwork. There's nothing sweeter, but let's be honest, you have a lot of it and it's everywhere. Knowing what to do with it can feel a bit overwhelming. Do you hold on to it, display it, recycle it, and hope they don't notice? Let's solve this dilemma. Kids love having their work on display, so we're gonna create a place where you can put their masterpieces of the moment. No need to overcomplicate this, so we're using a simple curtain rod I picked up at Lowe's. Determine how large you want your display area to be and attach the rod into the drywall using the provided brackets and screws. If you don't hit studs, make sure to use anchors and attach it securely. I'm using simple curtain ring clips that I can hang artwork with. They work for a range of artwork shapes and sizes. Now it's time to decide what to display. Personally, my kids love to swap out their art pretty regularly, and I just leave it up to them. Just gotta clip it on. Then when you want to replace one, it's super easy and doesn't damage the art. Like artwork, school papers tend to pile up with no end in sight. Wall-mounted mailboxes are a cute and easy solution for keeping school papers in order. I painted these mailboxes a green color that works perfectly with the rest of the decor. You can use multiple mailboxes for storing different types of items. Hang the mailboxes low enough so that kids can sort their paperwork themselves. So simple, and seriously, has your kids' artwork ever looked better? Love it.